I'm just going to put up this video. It's just basically driving the Galaxie around. I just, I know some of you enjoy that, and I just wanted to run it a little bit, just kind of drive it a bit before I have to get on freeways or major roads to take it for the top. But I found a little something when I was cleaning out my dad's house. I found a lot of interesting stuff, and I found something kind of interesting I think you'd enjoy looking at, so I'm gonna put it on this video. When I was a kid, my dad had a 59 Chevy Parkwood station wagon, a green and white one, and he traded it in for a white 66 Ford Country Sedan. And I found the bill of sale for that car from Jerome-Duncan Ford Incorporated, so you can kind of see. You can pause if you need to. That's the 66 Ford Country Sedan, 6-passenger, and the VIN number. Then here we got the 59 Chevy station wagon and the VIN number, and then that was the number they assigned it. And you can see he bought the Country Sedan used. This was when my mom started driving, because the Parkwood, the 59 Chevy station wagon, did not have power steering, and the Country Sedan did. It was a 289 with the Cruise-O-Matic, but you can kind of see this was the price of the car, $1,583.65 for on June 5th, 68, for a 66 car. And it shows the tax, license, and title, and then it shows here the total delivered price. It looks like he gave him a check for $1,400, and that was $1,500 there. They gave him $150 trade-in for the station wagon, so that's where they came up with the total payment that he made to the Ford dealer. So I just kind of thought that some of my tubers might be interested in seeing this. That looks a little better, doesn't it? Not having an old rusty mirror hanging there. It looks like I need to clean the mirror off, though. It's a day-night mirror. I thought I'd just clean the car up a little bit too. Maybe take it out and run it a little bit. Go for a short little ride around the neighborhood. The car will ride around all loud and rattly because, it's, this lock rod bounces around, and that's that will eventually come out up here in the door panel. Like, well, that one will too eventually. So yeah, and all this trim and the sheet metal, no seat muffling, nothing into the trunk, so everything echoes from in the trunk there. You can see the light through the holes. Looks like the latch needs to come down a little bit. I can see some light under the weather strip, like this needs to just close down just a smidge more, so I might adjust that. But it is going to be loud, the tailpipes are clear back here, but the exhaust on the undercarriage, I'm sure, echoes from the trunk and from, and all this trim's kind of loose and rattling around. Surprised it's actually not more rattly and squeaky. There's no squeaks, but I'm surprised it's not more rattly than what it is with everything just kind of laying around in the car, and just moving around. So that, it is a little louder than what it will be when it's finished up. And like I say, you'll hear rattles and things like that from all this loose stuff laying around in the car. Thank you. Well, another hot day. I just decided to get the Galaxie out and try and give it a little run, just to, you know, just get it out and run it a little bit before I go out and hit Woodward or take it to the trim shop for the convertible top. I want it driven a little bit, you know, so I know it's all running and driving good. Because I got to take it to the place so they can give me an estimate, order the stuff, and then drive it back here. And then take it back to have the top put on, and it's, I don't know, probably about, I'm gonna guess 15 miles one way, and I just want to make sure everything's all good, nothing wrong with that. And I figured while it was hot and running, I checked the transmission fluid, and it was just a smidge, just a tick above the full mark, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. It's not enough above full to worry about. It's maybe, you know, a couple ounces, you know, like it would be maybe a half a pint over at the most, so I'm not even gonna fool with it. So I might start polishing and working on this trim next, and working on that the piece that goes there, this piece, get it painted up, start getting that stuff all cleaned and painted, so I can in the next few weeks see about getting a top put on the car. I'm gonna end the video here. If you like the video, definitely hit the like button. I know it was just kind of driving around, but some of you guys like to see that, so that's why I videoed it. And I didn't video it all, but some of it, let's see, I think I put about maybe, let's take a look at the odometer. 8 miles on it, I think. I think it had 4.0 when I started. And so anyway, and if you notice, this fall I do have a brand new one of these that I'm gonna put on when I do the interior up, and that just kind of sits there. And I put a photo of the instrument panel on my Instagram, and you could see this was much whiter because the coloring is worn away on that part of it, and it just kind of doesn't sit in there properly right now because it needs replacing. Like I say, I have a new one. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you like my channel, definitely hit, or my video, definitely hit the like button. And if you like my channel and want to go cruising in this thing some more, definitely hit that 348 icon and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.